Hello, you're welcome on how to work out this an amazing maths problem. So come with me because you realize that it is the easiest solution to solve. So let's now have 3 to the power of k minus 1 is equals to 24. So we are asked to work it out. So assuming that we have a to the power of m minus n, this one can also be written as a to the power of m all over a to the power of n. So this to mean that here now shall now have 3 to the power of k all over 3 to the power of 1 is equals to 24. So from here now shall be forced to multiply both sides by 3, then also this side also by 3. So 3 by 3 shall cancel. So now shall now have 3 to the power of k is equals to 24 multiplied by 3. So the next step that you need to do is to introduce the log from both sides. So now we shall now have the log of 3 to the power of k is equals to the log into bracket 24 multiplied by 3. So from here, when you have, for example, the log of p to the power of m, this one can also be written as m, the log of p. So the log of 3 to the power of k can be written as k log 3. So k log 3 is equals to the log into bracket 24 multiplied by 3. So our next step now is to divide both sides by the log of 3. So here now we shall now have it as over log 3, then this side is all over the log of 3. So meaning that log 3 and log 3 shall cancel out, so that now our value for k is equals to the log of 24 multiplied by 3, then all over the log of 3. So assuming that we have, for example, the log of a multiplied by b, this one can also be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So now our value for k shall be log 24 plus the log of 3, then all over our log of 3. So we shall now divide both sides by the log of 3. So k is equals to the log of 24 all over the log of 3, then plus log 3 all over the log of 3. So next step now we shall say that, so now we shall now have k is equals to the log of 24 all over the log of 3, then plus log 3 and log 3 cancels, so there we shall now have 1. So value for k is equals to, so the log of 24 can also be written as 3 multiplied by 8, then all over the log of 3 plus 1. So next k is equals to, so log 3, then plus the log of 8, then all over the log of 3 plus 1. So next our value for k is equals to log 3 all over log 3, then plus, so log 8 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 3, then all over the log 3, then plus 1. So our value for k is equals to log 3 cancels, so now we shall have 1 plus the log of 2 to the power of 3 all over the log of 3 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, so k is equals to 2 plus, so log 2 to the power of 3 can also be written as 3 log 2, then all over the log of 3. So next now, when you have, for example, the log a all over the log b, this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So the value for k is equals to 2 plus 3, the log of 2 to the base of 3. So this one now qualifies to be our most correct and the final answer. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.